Good afternoon, my dear student. Yesterday we had concluded till here using Google Earth, and now we are going to continue the rest part of the story. So everyone listen properly, okay? I had a bright idea. I multiplied the time I was on the train, which was about 14 hours, with the speed of Indian trains, and I came up with a road distance about 1200 kilometers. So, what he did with his bright idea, he multiplied the time when he had get on that train, which was about 14 hours, with the speed of Indian trains. Then he count up with the road distance about 1200 kilometer. So he multiplied everything when he got on the train, what was that time, so everything with his bright idea. Okay, I drew a circle on a map with its center in Calcutta, with its radius about the distance I thought I had traveled. Then see what he did. He drew a circle on a map and he gave the center Calcutta. Then he thought how much distance he had traveled through that. He drew a map. Incredibly, I soon discovered what I was looking for, Kandwa. When I found it, I zoomed down and banned. It just came up. I navigated it all the way from the waterfall where I used to play. So, after making the map, he discovered everything what he was looking for, Kandwa. So he found that I zoomed down made something appeared much closer and bigger when using a computer. So by using that, the he came to know the right direction to travel by using the map, and all the childhood memories are coming in his mind where he was playing in the waterfall after looking the map which he had drawn. Soon I made my way to Kandwa. I found my way around the town with my childhood memories. Eventually, I found my own house in the neighborhood of Ganesh Talai, but it was not what I had hoped for. When I got to the door, I saw a lock on it. The house looked old and battered, as if no one had lived there for a quite long time. So then he made the way to Kandwa through his childhood memories. Then he found his home in the neighborhood of Ganesh Talai. But that was not what he hoped for. The door was locked and the house looked old and in poor condition, as if it looked like no one had lived there for a long time. I never said that my family had moved. Another person came and then a third person turned up, and that is when I struck gold. He took me to my mother. So then what happened when he reached there, he showed the door was locked. Then a neighbor said that his family had moved. They don't live there now. They moved to another place. Then another person came and he also says the same. Then a third person came, he knew him and took him to his mother. At first, I did not recognize her. The last time I saw her, she was 34 years old and a pretty lady. She looked old now, but I still recognized her. She grabbed my hand. She could not say anything to me. I think she was as numb as I was. So when he saw his mother first, he did not recognize her because last time when he was a child, she was 34 years old, and that time she looked very beautiful and pretty, and now she looked old, but still he recognized his mother. She caught his hand, and she could not say anything to him because she was as numb. So numb means she was shocked and not able to speak after seeing him, as he was also shocked and couldn't say anything to his mother. So this was the story. I hope so children everyone have understood. So read this story at least 4 or 5 times to understand more. And the new words you have to note down in your English homework copy each word 5 times and remember it. Okay. And the notebook work I will be giving you all. So note down in your English CW copy and remember it. So thank you.